Right, I'll explain all that in a bit, but today I've got to try and get this fitted. So I've got to get the flue and the spark arrestor on the outside. So I've got to line all that up and before it gets dark. And she's getting this is about 3 o'clock now, just gone. So the sun's setting, so I've got to crack in the corner this time. So I'm going to mark it, pull it forward a bit. Hello. Right. He's in there. There you go.
That nice.
So, what happens now is we have this. You can see that?
Yep.
Right, so this is flexi. So this goes on the outside and then we'll, I'm out of breath. And then we can mould this to the ripples in the roof if this goes through all right now. So. Hey. Right, okay. So this needs to go on. Actually, this one is, if you can look at it, it's got two flanges, yeah. So, and this is a spark arrestor, and that'll go on the top. Looks good. Okay, let's get the ladder and do the other. Yeah. Can we get one more? Okay. That was good. That made that white working. Grinds a bit. Right. On goes. There's bird poo up here. And there we go. So what we do then, you can't see that, can you?
Well, do you want me to pull it up?
No, what I got to do then, I grab that. Right, if you can see that. So what I got to do is mould each one of these and then I'll put a screw just through there, pre-drill it. And I've got some self-tapping screws. No, and then that'll go over like that and we'll do exactly the same on the other side. They should just self-tap really. There you go. You can see that, so that's one. I wonder if I can let me just self-tap another one. Let's see if she'll go. I don't know why that fell out. Huh. Should have done that in the first place, shouldn't I? So what we need to then have another one here to make sure it's nice and flat and flush. Janie's down there, planted some trees, a couple more, if I can get this in. Look at that. And one more. Like I said, this part doesn't really matter because this is not on the ridge or anything, but I'm going in. You can feel around it's ridged underneath. You can see where it's actually taken the contour of the roof beautifully, and it's because it's got ridges underneath. It's going to be, well, I'll let you know when it rains. So it's forecast tomorrow, so, and then this is going to go for a paint as well. Right, I'll show you what I'm doing inside. Right, fire bricks. These are from old night storage heaters, and they're called Economy 7, but they were sort of left not used anymore. And what they do then, you've got what I'll explain. So through these ridges here, if you can see them, yeah, there's a coiled wire that goes through, and it follows through. There's layers and layers, so these turn upside down. And if you can imagine, then there's a coiled wire going through here, and then you put this one on top. These are called night storage heaters, and what they did, and they're called Economy 7 years and years ago, when they switched them on, these bricks got exceptionally hot. And then at night, no, during the day, so at night was cheap. It was cheap at night to run electricity. So what you did, you switched them on at night, and then they heated up, and then during the day, in the winter, these would just give off heat. And they are a mixture of, well, they're brick, I can't remember, they did say there's some metal in it. It's not ferricium, ferricium or something, and steel. So what I intend to do is stack them a few along the sides here, and the idea is that at night, if we're going to stay the night here, what we would do is put the log burner on during the day when it's safe, and then at night, when it's time for having a bit of a heads down and we're sleeping, then these will be hot. This will go out. Hence, we should have a bit of heat. So I've got to squeeze it around the back. So, and also it'll protect the back. We've all got to be insulated, and I'll have fire guard as well, and I'll have what they call a fire angel, so we know that we're safe at night. Okay. So whether this works or not, I do not know. This will be an experiment, which we'll be testing out, and I'll let you know, because I've got a thermometer I bought. I'll let you know how it works. Also, we've insulated, but I ran out and I'm going to bought some more today. I'll show you that on the other camera as well. Right, I bought some more, but it's too cold now. I won't bother. I'll go do the other side. That side over there. Haven't done that yet. Okay. I'm stacking it, sorry about the camera, it's a bit of oil. Just give it a go. I don't know if I've got enough material to get a good fire going, but we'll give it a raz. The good thing about this is an Outbacker stove, and they got quite a good draw on them, so. Right, you got them. Okay. Right, full vent open. Let's go and have a look outside. See what the temperature's like. That's quite cool. This is up to 250 Celsius or centigrade. I don't know which one it is anyway. I didn't do science. Well, I did, but I wasn't listening. Look at that. That's magic. Loving this every single second. Brilliant. And that's all done now. That's fitted. Right, let's go back inside and have a look. Ooh. Can't see much smoke in here. I mean, we've got the lantern. Slight. Can you hear that? That's the sound of a log burner going. And that's a beautiful sound. This must have been lit, what? 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever. That is cooking. Feels good there, feels good over here, that's fine. Let's see if these bricks take some heat and the ones at the back. And I'll chuck a bit more. I'm not going to put much more, I'll just put what we've got down here in the way of wood. And then, yeah. Also I have a boiler that fits around the chimney. I can't see any smoke, so it seems to be doing its job. Look at that. Very easy to light. These Outbacker stoves. I did a video on why I chose this one, and it's very easy. Oops, that's not going to fit, I don't think. Maybe not. Let's have a look. Yeah. Right there. I chose this one because the top is quite a hardened steel and quite thick, which is what I was looking for. And it had the glass fronted door, which I was looking for, and the vent. As you can see, as soon as you open the vent up full, it draws the heat. You wouldn't put your hand on that, there's no way you'd put your hand on that. But it's, yeah. As you can probably guess by my voice, I'm pretty chuffed. So let that catch and then let it cool down and see if the bricks take on some of the heat. I mean, it won't be anything yet, but right, just there we go, halfway. Yeah. Okay, it's really toasty and warm in here, and these are just here. You can just feel when they're close to it, they're just taking on the warmth.
Oh, do stop going on.
So, what? What did you do with them?
Forward.
Oh, right, okay. But yeah, Jane, these bricks are getting warm. She's going, Jane, look at it. See what the temperature's like. That's quite cool. This is up to 250 Celsius or centigrade. I don't know which one it is anyway. I didn't do science. Well, I did, but I wasn't listening. Look at that. That's magic. Loving this every single second. Brilliant. And that's all done now. That's fitted. Alright, let's go back inside and have a look. Right, can't see much smoke in here. I mean, we've got the lantern. Slight. Can you hear that? That's the sound of a log burner going. And that's a beautiful sound. So I've got the door open and no smoke, nothing. And it's hot. Ooh, that's hot. Vent up a bit more now, and that'll get it going. I'll put a link in the description where you get these stones from. Brilliant. I'm just going to see if these stones are underneath. Not because I suppose with these, let me just close that down a bit. This bit here down the bottom, if you can see that, you've got a draw pan, which is your, well, no, you've got your grill, and then you've got a dust pan, ash pan, sorry, and then the gap here. It's not too hot at the moment, so that's all right. Can hear the drawer. That's just on. But I'll be using like oak and ash in this. Good hardwoods. Okay, hope you enjoyed the vid. So this is an update on the wood burning stove, the chimney, the fitting, a little bit of the insulation, and yeah, these bricks are definitely working. Yeah, the bricks are hot now. So yeah, I think they're going to do the job. Brilliant. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care. Catch you in the next vid.